The Pamu Z1. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Pamu Z1 True Wireless Earbuds. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide, Type-C charging cable, a storage pouch, and an assortment of ear tips. The earbuds feature 6.5 hours of listening time, 24 hours with the case. Uses Bluetooth 5.2 AAC SBC codec. It has a replaceable shell, app and EQ presets, touch controls, ANC and an ambient feature, USB-C and wireless charging, and it's IPX6 water resistant. The case is slim and plastic all around. It has a removable belt in the middle that can be changed with different colors. The right side has a tab which lights up as the LED status indicator, as you can see here. The bottom has a USB-C charge port. The lid opens and closes smoothly, and the earbuds are easy to grip and remove from the case. You have the ear indicators etched in inside. The case has wireless charging, and you can see it here activate on the charger. Taking a look at the earbuds, it has a simple AirPods Pro type design. It has a yellow inside face with the ear markings. The stem has a flat design, and the outer face you have the branding along with the surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips, microphones, charging contacts, and touch control. Here they are side by side. Touch controls are straightforward, a few taps to get the desired function. This has app integration and you can select EQ presets along with toggling the features. The case comes in at 2.5 by 1.1 by 1.7 inches. It weighs in at 41 grams and the earbuds come in at 12 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Might be going crazy, I don't know what to do. My heart is screaming for you, babe. And what I'm trying to say is that you make the sky look blue, even when it is gray, babe. Every time I'm feeling down, you can make it go away. Your light is shining bright on me. Be free until the end, crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Add it up, bankroll, euro.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Pamu Z1 microphone. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. The microphone was cleared during calls and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the earbuds. They were extremely comfortable and seated nicely in my ears. I didn't feel pressure in my ear canals. They felt secure, and at times you don't even know you have them on because they're pretty light. Build and quality is decent. Case and earbuds feel durable. And as mentioned, you have the options of changing the belt plastic around the case to add some styling. Touch controls were not overly sensitive and they responded well. Battery life is good, coming in at 6.5 hours and 24 hours with the case. I like the app integration and wireless charging. The ANC and transparency features was okay in my opinion. Nothing that really stood out as far as overall performance. It's in line with many of the earbuds that I have tested at this price point. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it has its presence. It comes in tight and punchy and doesn't overwhelm, and definitely not lacking. Mids and highs on the other hand I felt were a bit underwhelming, and it comes in a bit pitchy and not natural. Overall the earbuds were just okay for me. I felt that it missed out on the overall sounds, and there are better alternatives out there in my opinion. So that is my review of the Pamu Z1 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.